Hello, and Speaks of the Gamer, and today I'm playing some White Noise online again. I thought, I'd try this out a bit more because last time I went with Oliver, and he seemed to be the one screaming, if you watch the video. I didn't, scream that much. Not doing that one, because that one just looks, just no for that one. Boom, there we go. Could do that one. I'm going to do Sid Martin. I know that one. I know where a few of them are, but not Blush one. Blush one, flashlight. Yay! Why is he skeleton costume on? Sanity. I think I need some sanity. Invasion +2. What's that mean? And by the time oh, I'm just gonna go for him. Even though he's got like probably less sanity than all of them put together, I'm still gonna go for him. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's happening? Okay. At the moment I've been watching quite a bit of horror games, and some of them are really, really scary. I don't like it. Don't like it. So I know from just games that he'll only come once you've got the first one. Get the first. There it is. Really? It's really that close? Hopefully. Don't kill me. Don't want him to kill me. I do not understand a word of that. What was that? Why did my screen just go funny? Don't want to turn around. Oh, oh my gosh, there's them things again. Go looking at this one tree. Bow to the tree. Why is that one gone? Oh my gosh. Seems like you need to go this way. La 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 la. Sing your happy song. My gosh, gosh. This is so scary. Just run in the dark. I think that's the best thing to do. Oh, that's ocean. I don't know why I haven't seen them yet. Oh my gosh. Stop jittering the screen. Oh, flip. No, just run. This game's more sort of a jump scary than a scary in a way. Just makes it stop doing that. Ow. Tree just loading in there. Ooh. Oh, Flippy's right there. Sometimes you don't even notice him. I don't know how I don't. This is just weird. Is he still there? Yep, he's still there. He's still there. He's not gone. Not gone. Is he gone? No, he's not gone. It's not gone. Not gone. He's gone now. I think he's gone. This is back where I found the first one. Oh my gosh. What? Disconnect Frankfurt Live. What? Really? Really? That's amazing. Just amazing. Pretty abrupt ending. Boom! Bosh! Sorry, making me go away. I'm like, just have to. You need her. I think I'm just gonna go. I might go. Just go on this nightmare mode. I don't like. Okay, I'm gonna play a different one. I don't want to play Area 51 because that's gonna be scary. I was there a minute ago. Okay, random location. Random. Okay, random character. Don't really care. Oh my gosh. So for the abrupt ending of the last one. Oh, where am I? I'm probably in like that. Probably Area 51, isn't it? It's gonna be Area 51. I know it's gonna be. I can tell my luck when I see it. Oh. I think that means for aliens. Aliens? Oh my. Oh, it's right. Oh no, don't look at that. That's bad, isn't it? No. Flip got in my screen again. Oh my gosh. I'm sure that'll be like. Oh, there it is. That's tape recording. Can I just run? I don't like it. Don't know why. Don't know why. Boom. Although battery. Okay, just keep on walking. Keep on walking. We walk. Don't jump out on me, please. Don't do this to me. Tin cans this way. What's in? Tin cans this way. Isn't it Area 51, not Bunker 51? I'm sure it's Area 51. That was all the extraterrestrial activity. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to walk there, aren't I, though? Sounds like a tape recording. There it is. So now it's going to be nowhere in this room. But don't just go bleh. Just keep on running, keep on running. Oh really? Just put that there for me to look at. This just doesn't look good. just doesn't look good. Sorry guys, I have to pause the video for 1 second. Be back in a